they don't have the energy to move. And the best in the world to get them into the group.
Smooth stepping up, super mic, or leave the hype. Never heard a DJ kick a beat tight like this one. So make the crowd keep jumping while the rhythm and the bass line pumping. Flex, time to get hyper. PSG Green, the unknown MCM Piper. Wicked on the decks, live and direct, how we respect.
If you don't know, you better get to know. And rock to the rhythm, better go with the flow. 1, 2, 3, and away we go. And let me add the horns and every whistle and blow. PSG's on the microphone. I listen to the rhythm while I rock it to the bone. All you have to do is move. So get up and move and jump to the groove.
We all have good times.
We need it again. Can't believe the way that I feel in my body. I am the MC that everyone calls the one PhD. And when I come to dance, all the people go mad. I was like, move to the time. People say we do this and people say we do that. We love the way around and the back. You gotta follow your heart and choose your own pick. Peace and love is what you get. You gotta take your time to a better spit. You can take years to realize you skip. So don't give up till you reach your goal. Cause half the story never gets told. The bigger they come, the harder they fall.
Yeah. So you is the K-N-O, but that's it.
Golders! Thank you so much.
Goodness gracious. Hello! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
At maganda ka rin ngayong umaga, Miss Maricel.
Ganon?
Oo.
Malapit na ba ang magpapalibre ka ba? Alright, okay. Ulitin na natin ang ating mga weekly finalists. Tama. Okay? Number 1.
Diba? Ito, Psychrogenic Dancer.
Alright! And of course, group number 2 is from Bagong Silang, Quezon City. Sila Andrew, Julius, Mark, Bernie, and Aldrin. They are the Rude Boys Dancers. Alright. Yan yung kanina. Inuulit lang natin. Alright. At ang pangatlo naman ay
The Queen's Movers.
yes! From Santa Cruz, Laguna. And ang pang-apat ay sina
HAV 203.
Alright! Ang gagaling.
Criteria for judging.
Yes.
Originality or kakaibang chow ay
30%.
choreography or sabay-sabay na chow.
30%.
30%.
Costume or look chow.
20%.
At audience impact or lakas ng dating.
20%.
Ayan ang mga...
100%.
Yan yung mga malalakas
At
ang
saka,
dating.
Miss Maricel, Luan, nagpapasalamat nga pala ako sa mga audience dahil ang dami po ng audience ngayon. At saka humihingi po kami ng paumanin sa mga hindi pa ho nakapasok. At sa susunod, gagawin po namin ng paraan. Kung kinakailangan po yung audience hanggang dito, gagawin po namin.
Yes!
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Okay, thank you so much for coming. And of course, kailangan talaga may manalo. Oo, magagaling sila eh.
Kailangan ba?
Kailangan may manalo eh.
Okay.
Kaya ito na po, our weekly winners.
Ibig sabihin yan, plural, para dalawa o tatlo o apat.
Sabi ko na nga ba, galing eh, naka-high school talaga to si...
Siyempre.
Winners, alam niya, dalawa, plural. Okay. For today,